Want to pair your Sony WH-1000XM6 or any Sony headphones with your Samsung TV? Here's how to connect them via Bluetooth in seconds. First, you have to go to Settings on your Samsung TV, then navigate to Bluetooth, and now go for it to see all the available Bluetooth devices. Now your TV should start scanning for nearby devices automatically. Now the main part, you have to put your Sony headphones into pairing mode. To do that, press and hold the power button at least 3 to 5 seconds until the blue light starts blinking. That means the headphones are in pairing mode, but if your headphones do not appear on TV's list, turn them off and do a hard reset. Press and hold the power button and the noise cancellation button together for 20 to 25 seconds until the blue light blink 4 times. Now wait for a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again for around 3 to 5 seconds until the headphones re-enter pairing mode. Once they are in a pairing mode, you should see WH1000XM6 appear on your Samsung TV's Bluetooth list. Then tap the headphone name and select the pair and connect. That's it! Your Sony headphones are now connected to your Samsung TV. Now enjoy your wireless sound. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.